Next one we'll see the cascade realization. Here they given h of z equal to b naught 1 plus b11 is to the power of minus 1 plus b21 is to the power of minus 2. And again it is multiplied with b naught 2 plus b12 is to the power of minus 1 plus b22 is to the power of minus 2. That is multiplied with b naught m plus b1m it is to the power of minus 1 plus b2m it is to the power of minus 2. So here the h of z is splitted into subsystem. Here there are three subsystems, that is this we can consider it as a h1 of z, this we can consider it as a h2 of z, and this we can consider it as a h3 of z. And then if we are taking the inverse z transform, so the h of z we can write it as a y of z divided by x of z. So if you are cross multiplying, here we'll get y of z equal to, here we'll get b naught 1 into x of z plus b11 into z to the power of minus 1 into x of z plus b12 into z to the power of minus 2 into x of z. So if we are taking the inverse, y of z will become y of n, and here b naught 1 into x of z will become x of n. Here we'll get z to the power of minus 1 into x of z, we can write x of n minus 1, and here it is z to the power of minus 2 into x of z, we can write x of n minus 2, that is multiplied with b21. So similarly we can write the second term and third term also. So we'll get this equation, and we have to realize the system in cascade form. So I am considering the first system. This is the first system. So here we are having b naught 1 is multiplied with x of n. So here first we can take x of n, that is multiplied with the constant, it is b naught 1, and again that is adding with b11 into x of n minus 1. So from x of n to get x of n minus 1, we are using one delay operator here, that is multiplied with the constant b11. So again here we are using one more delay operator here, so that will get the signal x of n minus 2, that is multiplied with, it is b21, correct. So then we have to add all the term. So if you're adding b naught 1 is multiplied with x of n, that is adding with b11 into x of n minus 1, that is adding with x of n minus 2 into b21, correct. And then again if we are considering this is a second system, first we can realize the second system. So here it is b naught 2 is multiplied with x of n. So here meaning is, here it is x of n that is multiplied with b naught 2, and again here it is x of n minus 1 is multiplied with b12. So we are using one delay operator. So here we'll get the signal x of n minus 1 that is multiplied with b12. So again we are using one more delay operator to get the signal x of n minus 2, that is multiplied with, it is b22. Then we can add all the signal. So here it is x of n into b naught of 2, it is adding with here x of n minus 1 into b12, here it is x of n minus 2 into b22, we are adding here. Again the third system, this we can consider, this is the third system. So again b naught of m is multiplied with x of n, correct. So here it is x of n is multiplied with b naught m, again x of n minus 1 is multiplied with b1m. So we are using one delay operator. So here we'll get the signal x of n minus 1 that is multiplied with b1m. Again we are using one more delay operator, we'll get the signal x of n minus 2. So that is multiplied with, it is b2m. Then we can add all the terms. So here we are using adder here. So now what we have to do, we can see here this one is a system 1 and this is a system 2 and this is a system 3, right. So the system, we are giving the input x of n, and the output of the system 1 is connected to the input of the system 2, and again the output of the system 2 is given to the input of the system 3, and we are taking output. So here after realizing the system 1, system 2, system 3, the output of the first system is given as a input to the next system, that is a system 2. Similarly here the second system, it is connected to the third system. It is given, the output of the second system will be given as a input to the third system, and here we are taking the output y of n. So this is the cascade realization. Next one, we'll see the problem. Draw the cascade realization for the system where h of z equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 into z to the power of minus 1 plus z to the power of minus 2, that is multiplied with 1 plus 1 by 4 into z to the power of minus 1 plus z to the power of minus 2. So we can take, this is a first system h1 of z, this we can take it is a second system, that is a h2 of z. So if we are taking the inverse of this one, so we'll get, that is h of z, we can write y of z divided by x of z. The x of z, if we are cross multiplying, we'll get x of z plus half into z to the power of minus 1 into x of z plus z to the power of minus 2 into x of z. So if we're taking the inverse z transform, so we'll get y of z will become y of n, and again here it is x of z will become x of n, and z to the power of minus 1 into x of z we can write it as a x of n minus 1, that is multiplied with the constant 1 by 2, and again here z to the power of minus 2 into x of z we can write it as a x of n minus 2. So similarly this term also we can write, that is a second system, h2 of z we can write output divided by input, that is y of z divided by x of z. X of z if we are cross multiplying, so then we have to take the inverse. So if we are taking the inverse, again here it will become x of z will become x of n, and z to the power of minus 1 into x of z we can write it as a x of n minus 1, that is multiplied with 1 by 4, and here is z to the power of minus 2 into x of z we can write as a x of n minus 2. So first we can take the first system. So we are having input x of n, that is multiplied with the constant, it is a 1. So here it is 1 into x of n, that is the meaning, right? So again here it is x of n minus 1 multiplied with half. So we are using one delay operator to get the signal x of n minus 1, that is multiplied with it is 1 by 2. So again we are using one more delay operator to get the signal x of n minus 2, that is multiplied with the constant, it is a 1. Then we have to add all the term. So that is x of n is adding with x of n minus 1 into half, that is adding with x of n minus 2. So this is the first system. So again the second system if you are taking, so here this is a x of n, and which is having 1 into x of n. So we are multiplying with 1, and it is adding with 1 by 4 into x of n minus 1. So we are using one delay operator. So here we'll get x of n minus 1, that is multiplied with 1 by 4. Again we are using one more delay operator. So we'll get the signal x of n minus 2, that is having the magnitude of it is 1. So if we are adding all, so we'll get that is x of n plus 1 by 4 into x of n minus 1 plus x of n minus 2. Now what we have to do, the output of the first system will be given as input to the next system, and here we are taking the output y of n. So this is the way we can do the cascade realization. So second problem, realize the difference equation where y of n equal to x of n plus 0.25 into x of n minus 1 plus 0.5 into x of n minus 2 plus 0.75 into x of n minus 3 plus x of n minus 4 in cascade form. So we can take the z transform on both the sides. So y of n will become y of z, x of n will become x of z, and 0.25 into x of n minus 1 we can write as a z to the power of minus 1 into x of z. So similarly this one we can write z to the power of minus 2 into x of z, and this one x of n minus 3 will become z to the power of minus 3 into x of z, and x of n minus 4 we can write it as a z to the power of minus 4 into x of z. So from this we can write h of z equal to y of z divided by x of z. So we'll get this equation, that is 1 plus 0.25 into z to the power of minus 1 plus 0.5 into z to the power of minus 2 plus 0.75 into z to the power of minus 3 plus z to the power of minus 4. So this directly we cannot realize, we have to divide into a subsystem. So if we are factorizing the term, so we'll have a two system here, that is h of z is splitted into, it is h1 of z and h2 of z. Now we can realize in the cascade form. So first one it will become this is a, if you are taking the inverse here it will become x of n, so that is multiplied with constant, it is 1, and here it is z to the power of minus 1 into x of z, is meaning is x of n minus 1. So x of, that is we are using one delay operator, here we will get x of n minus 1, that is multiplied with minus 1.1219. Again we are using one more delay operator, so here we'll get it is x of n minus 2, that is multiplied with 1.1218. So we are adding all the term. So similarly the second system we are realizing. So here we'll have it is a x of n, and again the second system will have it is one delay operator we have to use to get the signal x of n minus 1, that is multiplied with 1.3719. Again we are using one more delay operator, so here we'll get x of n minus 2, that is multiplied with 0.821. So if we are adding all, we'll get the second system, and first system output will be given as an input to the second system, and here we are taking the output y of n.